Hi guys, good day. Uh, this is our available house and lot in Street Court Villas. This is Opal model. Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob guys. Ito yung kitchen area. Ayan, meron siyang back door para papunta sa service area. Meron din siyang back door dito na sliding. Ayan, para makapunta dun sa back part nitong house and lot. Kaya tayo sa taas guys para makita yung mga bedrooms. Actually guys, ang floor area nito is 87 square meter. Lot area is 90 square meter. 3 bedrooms siya sa taas guys. At may 1 toilet and bath sa taas, and sa baba, sa ground floor may isa ding toilet and bath. Total of 2 toilet and bath. And guys, yung bedroom, first bedroom. Ito yung next bedroom. Yan, ito yung balcony niya guys. Para makita yung view sa labas. Ayan. May mountain view. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you. See you.